Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your request could not be completed at this time. Your account cannot be created at this time problem on your iPhone while creating Apple ID. So guys, if you are trying to create new Apple ID on your device but you are facing this problem and you are unable to create account, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you create Apple ID on your iPhone. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open your app store and search here for VPN private. Here it is, and from here you have to simply download and install this VPN private app on your device. So guys, do this, and after this open the app and wait here for some seconds. And tap on continue until the ad is over. Cross the ad, and from here connect your VPN with your device and wait here for some second. And once it is connected, you have to simply wait for some time here, and now it is connected. And now you have to simply tap on optimal location. So guys, you have to select the location from here, and first of all you have to simply select the country. Here I am selecting the United States. So guys, you have to select the USA from here and then tap on connect from here, and once it is connected simply go back and now try to create Apple ID on your device again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply open this Sport app on iPhone, and from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple team from here regarding this issue. So guys, you have to simply explain them your problem in a brief way, and after this you will be able to create new Apple ID on your iPhone very easily. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your iPhone or other Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.